Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we use Vedic Jyotish or Vedic astrology with the world of finance. So today we are diving into a really cool idea like how to craft your investment strategy based on your birth chart. Okay, so you heard that right, using your zodiac to guide your investments. Okay, so let's start this. So before we start, just let me give you some basic idea like what is your birth chart, correct? So this is for the beginners or for the students who watching these video first time. So what is the birth chart? So think of it as a snapshot of the sky at the exact moment when you take birth. Okay, so it shows where the sun, moon, other planets are located in your birth chart. Okay, so this chart is divided into a 12 parts. We call it houses. Okay, and we also assign here zodiac signs, and these each houses will represent different areas of your life. Like for example, let's say your sun sign represents your core personality. Okay, while your moon sign reflects your inner feeling or your mindset. So your rising sign, we also call it as ascendant. Okay, tells how you show up in the world. Okay, how you take your decisions and all these things. So together they give us some clues about your natural strength, your weaknesses, your tendencies, and how you handle the risk. Now here it is becoming interesting because our birth chart can hint at our natural approach to money and investing. Correct? Let's break it down with some simple examples. So let's say if you are more of like careful or cautious soul, so like a Taurus or the Cancer people, okay, you might prefer slow and steady investments. So these are the natural qualities of Taurus and Cancer people. If you are Taurus ascendant and Cancer ascendant, or if your moon sign is Taurus or Cancer, then you prefer slow and steady investments. Okay, that could mean putting your money into blue chip stocks or bonds. Okay, things that build wealth over a time, or it requires some patience and like huge time frame. Then this is the best investment strategy for these kind of people. On the other side, if you are bold and love a little adventure, okay, then like Aries or Leo people, okay, you might feel comfortable with the more dynamic traits. Okay, they work good in the short term trading strategies or investment plannings, and that holds for this short term. You could be attracted to the fast growing sectors or even day trading. Okay, when you see a good opportunities. So it's all about matching your natural personality to your investment choices. So this way your investment strategy feel more like a natural extension of who you are. So how do you create your very own zodiac based investment portfolio? So here is a simple step by step guide. Now this is the core part of this whole video. So I will tell you some points. First point is get your birth chart. So find your birth chart. Nowadays it is freely available on the internet. Okay, you will find online softwares or you will have a desktop softwares. Okay, so you can easily see your birth chart. So by entering your date of birth, place of birth and time of birth, you have to check your sun, moon and rising sign. Sun, moon and the ascendant. Rising sign we also call it as ascendant. So you require these three things. Then understand your quality or the traits. So read up on what your signs say about you. Okay, are you naturally cautious or do you love taking risks? Okay, this will help you decide which type of investment is suitable for you. Okay, and the third point is match investment based on your zodiac. So cautious signs are Taurus and Cancer, like I already told you. Consider safe bets, okay, like stable stocks and bonds. Bold signs are Aries and Leo. Okay, these are some of bold signs. Okay, Aries and Leo. So they look into a growth stocks or the sectors that are a bit more volatile. Balance signs are Libra and Virgo. Okay, you might prefer a well diversified portfolio that mixes both the stability and the growth. These are for the Libra and Virgo. So you can also follow astrological cycles. Okay, so astrological cycles means what I am talking about, transits. Okay, or we have some strategies which are based on the dasha system. Okay, so these are two astrological cycles. We have to keep our eye on the astrological events like retrogression of planets. Mercury become retrograde, Venus retrograde, Mars retrograde, Saturn, Jupiter becomes retrograde. Out of all these, Mercury retrograde is the most important one, so we need to keep our eye on, especially on the Mercury retrograde phases. So these can sometimes give you hint on the best time to buy or sell. And the fifth point is you can combine with market research. Like, remember, astrology is just a one tool, so always mix your zodiac insight, your astrological knowledge with the solid research and market trends to make informed decisions. So now let's look into some couple of examples. Okay, just for an idea I can give you a couple of examples. Like, I'm talking about the cautious investors. So say you are a Taurus Lagna or Taurus Rashi. You are known for being patient and steady. So you might build your portfolio around a long-term or stable investment. Think dividend, okay, dividend paying stocks or government bonds. Okay, this strategy fits with your natural need for the security. Okay, now for the bold traders, like if you are a Aries or Leo, okay, you are likely to be more impulsive and adventurous. You might lean towards fast moving tech stock or even try your hand at day trading. Okay, of course, even if you are a bold, or it's important to set rules for yourself to avoid impulsive decision mistakes. Correct? By matching your investment style to your zodiac qualities, you create a strategy that feels more you. Correct? It's like having a personal roadmap that guides not only you, your financial decisions, but also help you to understand your own behavior. Now let's talk about benefits and cautious. Okay, benefits or some like the areas where we need to be careful. Okay, let's quickly run through some benefits and the things to be careful about. Benefits, let's talk about the benefits part. Benefits, personalization. Your strategy fits your natural style. Correct? And increase self-awareness. You know your strength and weaknesses, your zodiac and all these things. So it will give you strength and weaknesses, so obviously your self-awareness will increase, and it will also give you extra perspective, like it's add a unique layer to your traditional market analysis. Now, where should we be careful when we use this zodiac sign based analysis? So we know that astrology is not an exact science, so it's a one tool among many, so we need to use other parallel tools also with this astrological tool. So market are complex, we know this. So always combine astrological insight with the solid market research, and we need to be flexible. Correct? So be ready to adjust your strategy as a market condition changes. So now at the end, a simple way to blend astrology with investing by using your birth chart is to guide your strategy. It's not about predicting the future, okay, with certainty, but about aligning your natural traits with the choices you make in the market. Correct? This is our agenda. So when your investment feels like a natural part of who you are, it can make the whole process less stressful and more enjoyable. Correct? If you have enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Okay, and I would like to hear what your zodiac signs say about your investing style. Okay, so thanks for watching, and remember, trust the stars but also trust your research. Okay, see you next time, and my next video is also very interesting, so we will see it soon next week. Thank you.